Difference between white and black sesame seed. White and black sesame seeds, though small, have distinct characteristics that go beyond their color differences. Here are some details on each. White sesame seeds. These seeds have their outer hulls removed, giving them a paler, more consistent color and a delicate flavor. They are commonly used in baking and cooking for their aesthetic appeal, adding a subtle nutty taste and a slight crunch without overpowering other ingredients. These seeds are often found in Western and Middle Eastern dishes, enhancing bread, salads, and sweets. Black sesame seeds. These seeds keep their hulls, resulting in a bolder, slightly bitter flavor profile. They are favored in many Asian cuisines for adding depth and complexity to dishes, sweets, and snacks. These seeds are known to contain more calcium and antioxidants compared to white sesame seeds due to the nutrients in their hulls. Nutritional comparison. White sesame seeds, while lower in dietary fiber compared to black sesame seeds, are still rich in protein, calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats. Black sesame seeds, with their higher dietary fiber content, offer more B vitamins, iron, and antioxidants like anthocyanins. Health benefits. Both types of sesame seeds provide essential nutrients and health benefits. White sesame seeds contain sesamin and sesamelin, known for their antioxidant properties and potential blood pressure regulation. Black sesame seeds are rich in iron, antioxidants, and higher fiber content, offering benefits for heart health and anemia prevention. In general, black sesame seeds surpass white sesame seeds in nutritional value. A single serving or tablespoon of black sesame seeds provides more calcium, potassium, copper, iron, and manganese compared to the same amount of white sesame seeds. The difference is especially notable in calcium content due to the hulls present in black sesame seeds. Additionally, black sesame seeds contain essential elements like lignans and antioxidants. While all sesame seeds are packed with antioxidants, black sesame seeds are particularly abundant sources. They play a crucial role in preventing or slowing down various forms of cell damage in the body. Therefore, black sesame seeds are beneficial for conditions related to diabetes, heart issues, and even cancer. In summary, both white and black sesame seeds offer unique nutritional benefits and can be included in a balanced diet based on individual preferences and dietary needs. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.